In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete inactive users on WordPress.com. Managing your website users is crucial to maintaining security and efficiency, and periodically removing inactive users can help you with that. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Use a simple search or input the direct URL into your browser's address bar. Once there, log in with your credentials. It's important to ensure you have administrative rights to make these changes. After logging in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. This is your hub for managing your site's content and users. From here, you should go to the Plugins section. Look towards the left sidebar, and you'll find a menu option labeled Plugins. Click on that. In the Plugins page, you'll want to look for a button that says Add New. Selecting this button will direct you to a page where you can search for new plugins to install. In the search box, you can type WP Bulk Delete. This is a handy plugin designed specifically to help with tasks such as bulk deleting users, posts, and other content. Once you've found WP Bulk Delete in the search results, go ahead and click on it. You'll see an option to install the plugin. If this plugin is already installed on your site, you'll see the Activate button instead. Simply clicking Activate will make the plugin ready for use. After ensuring the plugin is active, go back to the dashboard, and you will now see WP Bulk Delete listed among your options. Click on this to access its features. Subsequently, navigate to the Delete Users section. It's specifically designed to let you remove user accounts based on specific criteria. Now, a few options will appear, allowing you to filter which users you wish to delete. You can select users by their role, such as subscribers or contributors. This is especially useful if certain roles on your site have higher chances of being inactive. Next, navigate to the Limit option. This is where you can add additional parameters, such as the number of days since last login, which helps in pinpointing inactive users precisely. Subsequently, move to the Delete Time section, which allows you to schedule this task if you prefer or not to do it immediately. Once you've set all the necessary parameters and filters, just click on the Delete Users button. Be careful with this step, as it will remove users permanently. It's a good practice to double-check who you're deleting to avoid any unintended losses. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage and delete inactive users from your WordPress site, helping it remain secure and organized. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more useful WordPress tips.